Take the tail of our string, bring it behind and around our dowel. Then we bring it to the front, forming an X, and take it behind our dowel again. We bring it at the front of our main rope, and then we need to pull it behind the X. Pull it through, put it behind, pull it through, and tighten it. Then we do the same on the other side. We take the end, bring it behind and around the dowel, bring it to the front, forming an X, wrap it behind around the dowel, bring it to the front of our main rope, and then we need to put it behind the X. Pull it tight. And you're done. Now we can turn them around. And we trim the ends with my fancy scissors as always. And voila! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss new tutorials every week.